y'all, I'm back with another video. Today's video is gonna be me installing this beautiful wig from AFSISTERWIG.com. You can purchase this unit. This is the Gemma highlighted loose wave unit in 22 inches, and it comes pre-highlighted, which is beautiful. All right, the lace doesn't come bleached. The knots are actually pretty fine, so there's no need to bleach it. So all I did was take makeup and just, you know, color the lace to match my tone, and the knots disappear. So I love that about it. Right now I'm just, you know, matching my wig cap to my skin complexion and also to the same color I made the lace. This here is honestly so easy to install. Like, I decided to glue it down, but you really don't have to. This is really a glueless wig, and it comes with that adjustable band attached to it. So I wanted to wear it for the whole weekend and not take it off, so that's why I glued it down. But you can definitely wear this glueless. So now I'm just parting the hair in the middle, because y'all know I love my middle parts. Always. I'm always love my middle parts. And I'm just waxing it down so I could hot comb it and, you know, make it all sleek and nice.
Dark-skinned Beyonce, like, who's saying?
Sorry, I'm just saying, I'm not sure.
Using the Erica J glue to install this wig. This is by far my favorite glue when it comes to wigs. I have a few others that I want to try, but if you're looking for a good lace glue, this is definitely it. It dries quick, and it's very long lasting, and it holds very well, so it's definitely worth your money. I don't know, y'all, lately I really been feeling these closure wigs, like 6x6 and up closure wigs, because it really allows like the side of your head to breathe. Like where your edges are at, it really lets it breathe while giving you so much versatility at the same time, and also the look of a frontal. Like, you get that appearance of a frontal look even though it's a closure. So ladies, don't be afraid to give frontals a break, you know, and go do some closures, because trust me, it's definitely worth it. I also want to point out how good they pre-highlighted this wig. Like, I really have been dying to get a pre-highlighted wig, and I couldn't find any, or it's either always sold out. And I really think the coloring on this job is amazing. It is so good. When it comes to shedding, it does shed, but once again, what hair doesn't shed? I've had this hair in for about 5 days now, and the shedding did become more than it was in the beginning, but I expect that. But besides that, the hair is still holding up very good, and the curl pattern is very nice. So now I'm gonna part the hair where the closure is, and I'm going to wax it down and then flat comb it so it's on flat. Y'all already know all installs have to be on flat because we don't do bumpy, we don't do lumpy. It has to be flat, and that's on period. This right here is the reason why my installs be taking over an hour, because I be pausing every minute just to take videos or pictures of myself. Like, look at me feeling myself for no reason. Okay, so I finished installing this wig. It's super quick and super easy to install. As you guys can see, it looks so freaking nice. Like, this looks mad good. Like, period. I always been dying to get me some highlighted hair, and I saw this highlighted curly hair on AFSISTERWIG, and I had to get it. Like, it's just super pretty. It's also giving me, you know, fall vibes, like summer ending, beginning of fall vibes. I could pull this off, you know, with fall coming up. So yeah, the only thing I don't like, I feel like the lace didn't blend as well as I wanted to. I've had lace that blended better, but I feel like I could fix that. Like, I'm looking in my mirror and I could still kind of see like the lace, but like I said, it's not bad looking. It's definitely wearable. So yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.